this video, we will be learning how to add or edit a customer complaint on the RO. First, go to the RO summary list. Find the RO you want to add or edit complaints on, double-click it, and it will populate the write-up window. Next, click on the job you want to add or edit located in the Jobs list. We will use Job 4. Click Edit on the top of the window. Then click inside the complaint box and add, delete, or change the complaint in the box. Simply click OK and you are done. Congratulations! You have successfully learned how to add or edit a customer complaint on the RO.